Welcome to this technical guide on smart transformer monitoring systems. This video offers a simple guide to keeping our power grid healthy, safe, and reliable using modern technology. Let's start with the basics and understand why transformers are considered the heart of the power grid. A transformer acts as a power helper. It changes the voltage of electricity, much like adjusting water pressure in a pipe. This allows power to travel long distances safely. Transformers work 24/7 to send power from big plants to cities. Why do we monitor them? Transformers can get sick if they get too hot, which is called the fever problem. Heat can damage the internal components and lead to a sudden power outage or blackout. Smart monitoring relies on three main sensors. The temperature sensor checks the heat of the oil and metal. The oil level sensor ensures there's enough oil for cooling and spark prevention. The gas level sensor detects tiny bubbles that indicate a small fire or spark is starting inside. The communication link uses a gateway device, which is like a smartphone for the transformer. It collects sensor data and sends it over the internet. This allows engineers to check the transformer's health remotely, even if it's in a distant location. Smart monitoring helps in predicting the future. By watching the trend in gas levels, we can predict a failure months before it happens. This allows repairs to be scheduled safely during the day. There are big benefits for everyone. Smart maintenance is 30% cheaper because we only fix things when they are actually broken. This leads to 99.9% power uptime, preventing sudden blackouts for thousands of homes and businesses. The monitoring system relies on precision hardware, including the temp probe, the oil gauge, and devices for gas analysis, all designed for accuracy and reliability. The digital dashboard puts control in your hands. Our software simplifies complex data into green, yellow, and red light alerts. If a transformer is in red, the system automatically alerts the repair team. You can monitor the entire power system from a single screen. In summary, smart monitoring provides safety first by preventing dangerous explosions and fires. It offers real-time data, eliminating long waits for manual checkups. It ensures environmental protection by detecting oil leaks early, and it helps save money by making transformers last 10 to 15 years longer.